So if you have wavy hair or curly hair, lightly curly hair, then this video is for you. So as you can see, I have kind of a wavy hair. They don't go straight, they have a little bit of curls in them, and I don't really go out that often. I rarely go out, so getting a permanent keratin treatment or anything is not an option for me. I don't really need that, but when I go out, I need them to be a little straight and manageable. Today I will show you how to straighten your hair with a hair straightener or even with a hair dryer, and that without using any keratin treatment or any hair straightening cream. So before we get started, please note this is not a permanent solution. It will make your hair straight, but it will go away after 1 or 2 days. So this is a temporary solution that you can use occasionally or on occasion. So this is the method 1 that you're going to use with a hair dryer. So I have washed hair, I just dried them with a towel. So for the first step, you're gonna need heat protectant spray to protect your hair from heat. I don't have that, so I'm going to use some hair serum that works just fine for me. And if you're using hair serum, please use a lot more than you do usually. So for this technique, you're gonna need a hairbrush and a hair dryer. Try to use a hairbrush that grips your hair well and really pulls hard on them. So to get things started, first of all, decide where you want your hair to be. I'm going for the side part look. Now use your hair dryer along with your hairbrush. The hair dryer was making too much noise and it was impossible to record my voice with the video, so I thought doing a voiceover would be good. So now as you can see, I'm using the hair dryer way too close to my hair. Usually I suggest you to use it 10 to 15 centimeter away. So you have to pull your hair with the hairbrush and use the hair dryer way too close. It will generate more heat, and more heat will help your hair to get straighter. Do this to your hair until they get dry or until they get fully straight or as you want them to be. It will take around like 5 minutes to do this. Do not take more than 5 minutes because exposing your hair to that much of heat more than 5 minutes would be harmful for your hair. You can use this technique more often than the straightener one. This will cause less damage to your hair. So just by using a hair dryer and a hairbrush, my hair looks more straight and better than before. And now for the second technique. Use this technique only if you have really curly hair or the first technique with the blow dryer doesn't work on your hair. For this technique, you're going to use a hair straightener, and first of all, this produces a lot of heat and that's not good for your hair at all. So if you're going to use this one, try to use it like only once a month or something like that. Do not use it every day or every week. That could be dangerous for your hair. So to use the hair straightener, you're going to need some tools like this small comb or a small brush that you're going to use to pick up your hair from this hair straightener. So now to start with the hair straightener, try to pull up your hair and select the part that you want to use the hair straightener on. Now carefully insert the hair straightener, clip it down, and now you have to pull it up. Slowly. Same for the other side. So if you're going to use a hair straightener, try to use it only on the borders or the hair that shows up, like these hair right here, these hair right there only. Now about this hair, these are not going to show if they are straight or curly. If they are really curly, then it's gonna show up, but if they're wavy, nobody gonna see if they're wavy or not. People see these hair or this hair right here. So use hair straightener only on these hair. So after using any of these two techniques, what you have to do is use your favorite hair clay or hair wax, whatever you want, and apply them on your hair. Because without them, this will only last for like 2 or 3 hours, and that's not going to be enough for you, I guess. So what you have to do is, after you're done straightening your hair by using either of those techniques, use a little bit of wax and really apply it on your hair. That will ensure that your hair remains straight for the day. So these were my two techniques that I used to make my hair straight, and all of these two techniques are not permanent, they are temporary, but I don't need any permanent solution for my hair. I'm very happy with these kind of straight hair. They are not wavy anymore. So this two technique works for me, and I hope it will work for you as well. This is it for the video, and I know the dislike button is gone, so if you didn't like anything about this video, feel free to comment down below and tell me what can I improve or what should I make video about, any topics that you like. And I see you all in the next video.